Hey, here's a quick video in case you're running into part sourcing issues on the CircuitHub platform. So when you're on your project page and you go to checkout, you might notice that we flag an error saying that there's a certain part that's not in stock. To find that part, you can either go to all parts here, this is your entire BOM, and find the red highlighted BOM line, or you can go over to sourcing problems. This basically just filters out only parts with sourcing issues. So in this case, it's just this one part here. So there's a few things you can do. First, I click into the BOM line to expand the other options. You could either mark it as do not place if you don't need to place it, but in most cases, it's a sourcing issue because you need it placed. You can consign it if you have it in stock. So if you have it in your own stock and want to send us the parts rather than us procuring them, you can hit consign and then confirm consignment. But in most cases, you want us to procure it. And so let's say you know of another source that our platform, which is plugged into Octopart, isn't picking up on automatically. What you would do is you'd go to supply pricing here and type in the relevant information. So in this case, I know that this part is available at Chip One Stop Japan, which is a reliable source, or at least I believe it to be a reliable source. So I need a few things. I need the part number, I need the URL, and what I'm gonna do is type in Chip One Stop Japan, paste in the URL, also paste in the part number itself. Then I need to know how many are available. So it's roughly 7,440. You can put in under package quantity, just put in one. You can basically put anything under this field. And then next I can put in the price breaks. So as an example, for 100 units, it looks like it's about 1 to 2 cents. So I'm gonna put that in for 100 units, and then I can hit add break. And let's see what the next price break was. It was 200 units for just a little bit less. So I'm gonna paste that information in here. And that was it for 200 units. And I can continue adding more. You don't need to add all of them. You can add in what's relevant for you. So in this case, just for example, I'll put in these 2 price breaks. And then what I would do is hit save. And now you basically told our platform, hey, I have a source from Chip One Stop Japan, and there's 7,440 available. And you can now see if I go to that there's no errors, there's nothing under sourcing issues, and nothing's highlighted red here because there's no sourcing issues anymore. So basically, you can now click alter pricing and you can make an edit if you want, but now you basically solved your sourcing issue because you told the platform, hey, there's actually some availability over at Chip One Stop Japan. And you can do this with other suppliers, you can do it with other parts. But yeah, that's how to deal with sourcing problems. Again, you can DNP the part, you can consign it, you can supply pricing. And if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.